Assalamu alaikum to all esteemed viewers. Robot is the most important thing for us up to the present day. So ever wondered to know behind the history of inventing this robot? Do you know the meaning of the word robot? The word robot becomes this from the Czech word robota. The author Karel Čapek used this word at first time in his book RUR in 1920. RUR means Russians Universal Robots. So in this book he used this word at first in English, and according to Karel Čapek, the word is created by his brother Joseph. And our topic, the history of inventing this robot, it started in 320 BC at the time of Aristotle. In this time, the society was during the system of slavery. So Aristotle, scientists, think that if we can make any machine, or if any thing who will come with our order, with our instruction, and if we can make anything who will come without any supervision or without any instruction of an operator, that means the automata. And the word robota, Karel Čapek used this word robota in 1920 in his book in London, and the word premiered in 1921. And in the time of Aristotle, he was the conceptor of automata. To understand the word automata, we have to understand automatic. We all know about the word automatic. Automatic means something who will come without any instruction or without any order of an operator. So this is the thing we have to understand before understanding this automata. So we all understand what is automatic, and the automata comes from the automatic, and this is the Aristotle in 320 BC. He was the conceptor of automata in his thinking, and this time was slavery time. And after Aristotle, many inventors and many scientists tried to invent these types of machines, these types of robots. In 17 to 19, many robots were automata and robots were built in this time. But the best successful was created by Zach the Vaccanson in 1737. He created a digesting duck. The duck has many abilities to do, like a flapping wing, and 400 plus parts was included into a part of wing, and the digesting duck also eating grain and also digesting itself. And in 1737, the Zach the Vaccanson's digesting duck was a great successful for him, and the duck has many abilities to do, and the duck is the first practical or first thing that is created by people's Zach the Vaccanson, who is tried and think Aristotle in 320 BC, and the result of Zach the Vaccanson in 1700 to 19, many inventors and many scientists tried to make these types of robots and these types of machine who will come without any instruction of an operator, that means automatic or automata. And Zach the Vaccanson was successful in his invention, that his invention was digesting duck, and this digesting duck has many abilities to do, and these types of digesting duck can do anything, like I had already shared the ability of digesting duck, and I again repeat that because you have to understand these things very clearly before, because you in this video I want to share with you this types of something, many facts about the inventing the history of robots. and so the ability of digesting that was a flapping wing, and 400 plus parts were included to this digesting duct, and he could also grain it, and he could also digest itself, and when he eat a word or something, and there was a secret place in their body, and the foods and eating was saved in this place, and after sometimes he digest it in a secret place. So this is the simple and body structure of digesting duct, which is created by Jack the Vaccanson in 1737. So after 320 BC, in the thinking of Aristotle, the digesting duct was the first practical invention of Jack the Vaccanson, as this successful work was very best and very clear to our society, that inventors and man will be able to create or invent something, this type of robots. And after the successful inventing of Jack the Vaccanson, Leonardo da Vinci was the first designed humanoid robot around 1495. But the robot was not premiered. The robot was created and designed to full style into his notebook. And Leonardo da Vinci is one kind of inventors. And now we can see the ability and the part of inventing robots in the history of this topic. And Leonardo da Vinci was the first creator or designer of first humanoid robot in the world in 1495. And after inventing this or designing this complete entire design of this robot, the robot design was not premiered. After inventing Leonardo da Vinci's this robot in 1206 AD, that means in 1206, Anno Domini Al-Jazari, an Arab inventor, was created a first robot what is believed that this robot was first a programmable humanoid robot which is powered by water in a boat, and this is which is believed that the Al-Jazari's robot was first humanoid programmable robot ever the invention of entire robot history. And I want to share with you that after inventing Leonardo da Vinci's humanoid robot, the robot was not premiered, and after some times in 1206 AD, the creator Al-Jazari, an Arab creator and Arab inventor, was invented first humanoid and programmable robot, which is believed that. And after Leonardo da Vinci's invention, his robot was not premiered. So after some times and many times after Leonardo da Vinci's notebook and his discovered style designs rediscovered it in 1950. So Leonardo da Vinci first designed humanoid robot around 1495 and not premiered, but Leonardo da Vinci's notebook rediscovered it, this humanoid robot, and the entire design of this robot in 1950. So this was another successful invention of Leonardo da Vinci, but when he first created and designed this structure, then the structure was not premiered. So after some times in 1950, the Leonardo da Vinci's notebooks and his working place and workshop is rediscovered and redesigned this structure of humanoid robot. And after this types of triad of inventing this robot, the inventors and our scientists are able to create nowadays robot. Nowadays we can see many types of robots: industrial robots, working place robots, and food server robots and hotel robots and these types of robots, but these robots are the result of the infinity try of our scientists and our inventors of robots. And first digital operated and programmable robot was created by George Devil in 1954. It is called Unimat, and it is believed that the digitally operated and programmable industrial and robots digital actually the digital operated programmable first robot was invented by George Devil in 1954. It is called the Unimat. So this is the history behind inventing this robot, and I think this video is very informative for you. And I want to share with you here this we should try to invent these types of scientific mechanism or scientific technologies, and we should try and we should think new thing and new topic what is not think by another people. So this is, and we can if we notice that the inventors and scientists was another type and another thinking brain with the other people of our society. So we should create our brain, we should create our thing. So these types of scientists and these types of inventors. So today's video I want to I think this video is very informative for you, and actually I am not a good speaker. If there is a mistake in my lecture, I wish you will see it forgivenessly. That's all. Thank you for listening to me attentively. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum again.